Hey y'all, Mavic Guy here, back again with another unboxing video. Now this is the Mavic 2 Pro with the smart controller. So this has the 1-inch sensor, Hasselblad camera, and then this is the controller that you don't have to use your smartphone in conjunction with. So, you know, major convenience, especially when you're when you're filming a lot of really high quality content. And I've got a lot of what I hope will be exceptionally outstanding content from drones hitting the channel here very soon. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, you know, please be sure to do so, because it is going to be a very exciting next few weeks, especially if you love drones. And not just the next few weeks, but the next, well, I don't want to spoil the surprise. Now, if you're looking for Mavic 2 Pro with the smart controller, maybe you're just looking for the Mavic Zoom, or maybe Mavic 2 Pro without a smart controller, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find it all there. This video rather, is just an unboxing. So I'm showing you, well, when I open the box, what's inside? What's inside? Okay, very nice packaging as we've grown to accustomed to from DJI. Very nice tactile feel, and this is still in its little shrink wrap. Oh yeah. This screen, something I want to mention, and I'll add a link to it at the time of filming this video. I don't have it yet, but I did get a screen protector, because obviously I don't want to fly naked. Here's your little doohickeys right here, your little thumbsticks. They rest in there, and then you can take them out. It's actually an ingenious design. Look at that. So those pop up. Now it's up for debate, but a lot of people say that the best performance comes with the antennas like that versus straight out. So tell me what you think within the comments below. Do you have a preference? This has, let's see. And again, people are like, man, just read the owner's manual, dude. I'm just seeing if these batteries in the controller are removable. I don't think they are. And if they are, it's because I haven't read the owner's manual yet. So you're probably laughing at me. This is a little protective piece right here that was around that little nipple. So very nice screen. We're going to explore the smart controller in depth within another video. Again, this is just the unboxing video. So we're going to go ahead and set the smart controller aside. So also in here we've got a box, and within this box we have a charging brick. None of the pins are bent. You may have seen one of my old Mavic 2 Pro videos without the smart controller where I had a bent pin. I didn't like that. Now I'm looking at this in reverse here. I've got to figure out, okay, there's the side that's in the camera's field of view right there. I've got my field monitor kind of at a funky angle. So we've got, and then we have these cables. Let's see what's in here. So this is a United States style plug, and it's got little covers on it. Nice. And then obviously that goes into your controller, charging brick rather. And then you can charge your batteries. Also, this has a USB port on it. Now the charging port for the controller, let's see, is it USB? Oh, nice. USB-C is in Charlie. USB-C. Very nice. And then we've got, of course, the Mavic. There's nothing else in that box, by the way. So we got the Mavic 2 Pro. Phenomenal drone. You know, really love that 1-inch sensor, especially in lower light situations. I mean, it's a real boss, the way it performs. So you got these little stickers on here. Let's see. front, rear is the sequence to unfold. It says remove this sticker. Remove that sticker. There's a sticker here. There's a sticker there. There's a sticker here. And then there's a sticker here. What if you were the person that attached all these stickers? Imagine going home every day. It's like, what'd you do today? Oh, well, I attached a lot of stickers to a drone. To mini drones. Speaking of mini drones, I bet we see a Mavic Mini very soon. But I doubt, seriously, that that'll even come close to the performance of this. But, you know, a smaller size and weight, smaller travel size, lesser weight is always a positive. But this thing right here is a beast. And I mean, to have a 1-inch sensor and be as small and lightweight as this drone is, and failing to mention the phenomenal range. I mean, obviously, always fly line of sight to be safe and responsible, but I mean, this thing is just it's just a beast. Here's a little sticker thing here. Let's see, let's get that. Ooh, that was a fun sticker to remove. So there you have it. There's the Mavic 2 Pro drone. By the way, this video is in 4K Ultra HD. So if you have a compatible display, be sure to crank it up and see it in its full glory. And again, if you're looking for this drone, the accessories, expand this video's description and then click the link there to find them all online. So what else do we have? Well, we got a box and we got some stuff in here. Boom. This is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Also inside of the box, propellers. And then we got more propellers. And then we got some extra propellers. And then we got 2 of the little extra joystick nipples, in case you lose your nipples. And then we got some paperwork, so I'm not going to bore you with the paperwork. And let's make sure we didn't miss anything here. Oh, we did. We did for real. We missed the charging brick. Got you a USB-A and then a United States style charging plug. So there you have it. That's what's in the box for the Mavic 2 Pro with smart controller. And again, expand this video's description and then click the link there to find this particular Mavic 2 Pro bundle, as well as the Mavic 2 Zoom and all the other DJI drones as well. Thanks for your viewership, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. And be sure to check out my Mavic 2 video playlist on Our Skies Adventure channel, and check out my hundreds of existing videos and thousands more coming soon. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Ibrick Guy here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for Our Skies Adventure channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.